Hi there, students. Contumely. So, a contumely, this is a noun. It looks like an adverb or even an adjective, but it's actually a noun, both countable and uncountable. A contumely is an insult, is abusive language, offensive behaviour. Yeah, but from the point of view of somebody who is haughty and proud, they are arrogant. So the supporters shouted contumelies at the players of the opposing team. The demonstrators shouted contumelies at the police. So the adjective would be contumelious. His contumelious attitude is very denigrating. Yeah, so contumelious, insulting, rude, unpleasant, trying to make people look unimportant and ridiculous. Yeah, showing contempt, showing contumely. Yeah, his contumelious attitude showed contumely. Yeah, a disdainful, insolent attitude. How the servants put up with his contumelies, I will never understand. Working in customer service in complaints, I guess you permanently have to put up with contumelies. You have to put up with contumelious people. Yeah, they're rude and arrogant. Yeah, or that them always making rude and arrogant, disrespectful remarks. Yeah, so he's always dissing me with his contumelies. Yeah, his contumelious ways make people dislike him. So notice this is a really formal literary word. It's probably rather old-fashioned as well. It's maybe rather archaic, but it's a great word. It's an insolent, disdainful attitude. Yeah, dealing out insults. The boss blew his top and dished out contumelies to all and sundry, to everybody present. But normally he's a pretty contumelious guy. He's always insulting everyone. Don't misinterpret my words as a contumely, because I am aiming to be constructive. Yeah, I'm trying to help. So, formality. I'm going to give this 9, 8.5. This is way up in the scale. This is something you should use in a formal writing or something like that. It's related to contumacious, which is where you have no respect for authority. You willfully don't obey. Yeah, but you might do that with contumelies or in a contumelious way, looking down your nose with scorn and insultingly. Yeah, so contumeliously, insultingly. He contumeliously looked at my gift and waved it away. Yeah, offensively, in a way meant to hurt. Okay. And let's see, what about origin? Well, this comes from Latin through French. The Latin contumelia, an insult. Com plus tumeo, to swell. I'm not sure how that gets to insult, but maybe someone out there could tell me. Okay, so contumelious, insulting. Contumely, an insult. His harangue was full of contumelies about people of other races. Yeah, he's a bigot and always saying contumelies which upset people. Okay, so contumely. That's quite a good word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Contumely. Contumelious.